Have you ever felt like you're falling behind in life? Like everyone is moving forward except you? Your friend just scored 95%. Your cousin is on vacation again. That guy from Instagram just bought a new iPhone. And you're just here stuck. Let me take you on a short journey, not just a story, but a mirror of your own life. First, the comparison trap begins. Imagine this. You walk into a luxurious house. Big gates, expensive cars, people laughing, eating, celebrating. For a second you feel poor, unlucky, broken. Now I take you to a slum. Small houses, no proper food, kids walking barefoot, struggling to smile. Suddenly you feel rich, grateful, alive. What changed? The house, the people? No, just one thing: your comparison. This is the game your mind plays every day. It shows you someone doing better and whispers, "Why aren't you like them?" Second, the school story everyone knows. In school I saw this every day. My best friend was always scoring more than me, always. His parents used to say, "You'll become a doctor one day." My parents, they just asked, "What happened this time?" I compared his marks to mine, his praise to my silence. But what I didn't see, the number of hours he gave up on sleep, the pressure he faced, the anxiety he never showed. Marks are numbers, life is not. Third, the truth behind social media. Let's talk about Instagram. You scroll, one friend in goal, one in a cafe, one posting a new outfit, and you lying on your bed, books in one hand, stress in the other. But here's the truth. Social media is not life, it's a showroom. Nobody shows their sleepless nights, their breakdowns, or their failures. You're comparing your behind the scenes with someone's highlight reel, and that's unfair to you. Fourth, the hidden side of toppers. Recently, board results came. Some got 99%, some 100%, some failed. The news covered the toppers. Photos, awards, interviews. And you sitting in a corner thinking, "I'll never be enough." But let me break this illusion. There is no rule that only toppers succeed in life, and no rule that failure means you're done. In real life, success belongs to those who keep walking even when nobody is watching. Fifth, the power of the right comparison. So, should you stop comparing completely? Compare yourself with yourself. Ask, am I better than yesterday? Did I work harder today? Did I stay true to my dreams? This is the only comparison that will grow you, not break you. Sixth, be you fully, unapologetically. You were born with your own journey, your own timing, your own pain. Then why are you trying to live someone else's story? As long as you try to fit into the crowd, you'll never stand out. And let me tell you, it's easy to be a copy, but the world needs originals. So be that original. Be proud of your scars, your steps, your pace, because someone out there is looking at your life and thinking, "I wish I had what they have." You're not behind, you're not slow, you're not lost. You're just on your own path, and that's where the magic is. So from today, stop comparing. Start becoming, because the only person you're competing with is the person in the mirror.